Engine ignition. 4, 3, 2, 1. 0 and liftoff.
Welcome to Precision Machining. We're going to take a tour of our lab and explain what some of the pieces of equipment do. Let's take a look as we move around. Over here, we see some of our milling operations going on. Basically, if you want to look at it in a nutshell, milling operations are to manufacture parts that are not round in shape. Anything that has rectangular form to it, perhaps hole patterns, or any other type of shape that's not round in nature, you can use the milling machine to produce those parts. This particular machine, although there is not a lot to see at this particular point, is an EDM machine. EDM stands for electrical discharge machining. What happens in this scenario is we actually use electricity to create an arc that jumps from the electrode of the part to the part, and it is used for rare or odd shapes. Anything that has sharp corners on it that can't be done naturally or conventionally in a milling machine or a lathe. Precision surface grinding is a fascinating operation that we do in precision metal working. In this particular case, it's an abrasive process, a grinding wheel that's removing metal from the surface of the part. An important part of everything that we do in precision machining revolves around math and good quality measurement skills. As parts are being machined, they have to be precisely measured. A lot of different tools and instruments are used. The students learn very quickly how to use precise and precision height gauges, micrometers, dial and digital calibers to measure sizes to within 1/1000th of an inch. This is an example of a full-scale CNC machine. By that I mean it does not have a manual component. We use a control panel to be able to operate the machine. Students learn how to create programs for the machine that the machine understands and bring them over and download them actually into the control panel. So technology is definitely used on a routine basis in a manufacturing setting. So again, this is a CNC machine, which stands for Computer Numerical Control. One of our operators is actually in the process of setting up one of his parts that in the very near future is going to be machined. There's so many details that need to be taken into consideration. The program has to be right. The part needs to be positioned correctly. The tools need to be installed into the machine correctly. The choice of tools needs to be right. So there's a lot of details that the machinist needs to verify before they actually run the program and move forward with that program. What the student is doing at this particular point is indicating the center hole. By that we mean we want to be able to identify an XY axis zero center point. If he's able to do that correctly, he has a starting point for his existing project.
First time I heard about this program was from our open house that they hold every year. And walking around, talking to some students and watching some of the operations made me very interested, and I knew that's what I wanted to do for the rest of my life.
After I graduate, I plan on going to one of two colleges, either the Penn State Technical College or I'm going to the Williamson Free Trade School of Technology. And after I serve all my years there, I plan on going right into the workforce and working full-time.
Hello, I'm Mr. Viviano. I'm an assistant principal here at Middlebucks Institute of Technology. And our tie with precision machining is that we make sure that there's a strong curriculum back there, that they have a lot of equipment, that they are associated with further education and local businesses and industry. The job outlook for precision machining technologists is good for the state of Pennsylvania. They expect a 10% increase over the next 6-7 years or so, by 2016, we expect that there will be a 10% increase of the need for skilled precision machinist technologists.
Precision machining technology at Middlebucks Institute of Technology is a nationally certified program. What that means is that we are affiliated and certified by NIMS, N-I-M-S, which is the National Institute for Metalworking Skills Incorporated. We provide students with the opportunities to become certified in 9 different credentialing areas. Actually, we want to talk a little bit about salaries, and that's difficult to try to pinpoint because it does vary from company to company. But we do want to suggest that students in high school, as they are participating in co-op experiences and apprenticeship training programs, usually will average in school about $10 to $11 an hour.